Most welcome on my channel. Today we will learn about input statement. Input statement is used to take input from user. Let's start. Let me tell you that input statement works in three ways in Python. First way, to take a string from user as an input. So let's start. So first of all, we would open Python ideally. Then we will take a new file from file menu like that. Okay, so like here we want to take name as an input from user. So in this situation we want to input a string from user, so we will write the name of the variable and then input statement in this way, input, and then double quotes. In double quotes we want to display a message that should be displayed in front of user at the execution of the program. Enter your name. Okay, so to accept a string from user we just need to do this. And suppose we want to print its name along with hello or hi or whatever the message we want, we simply write print then the name variable in which the user's name will be initialized like this, name, and before the name we want to print hello, so we just put hello message, hello, and then put a comma. Remember that a comma is necessary here, and then close the bracket of print statement. Now we need to save this program. Go to file menu, click on save. Simply as usual we save our program like string demo.py. Okay, simply we save our program like string demo.py. Okay, now we need to save this program, and we have saved it. Now run it directly. So input statement is executed. Now we input our name like Bob. Okay, so we got hello Bob. So whatever we learn from this program, that how we get input from user, a string usually. Now let's cut it. Then go to back our presentation. Let's see. So first way to take a string from user we have completed. Now what is next? Second way to input integer number from user. So let's check. So to take input integer from user we need to create a new file. Go to file menu, click on new file, and in new file suppose we want to add two numbers simply. So fn stands for first number, and always remember one thing, that whenever you want to input a number from user and a flat number without having a decimal point, then we will use int statement. Please remember int statement, int and then bracket input, then again a bracket, and the message that the user should understand. And first number number. Okay, so it should have two parentheses of closing like this. Okay, our first statement has been completed. Now second number, SN, second number. In the same way we will write the code int followed by input and then enter second number. Okay, so completed. Now C sum, or whatever the name you want to give this variable you can give. So simply I am giving C is equal to first number plus second number. Okay, so print C. Okay, so let's save this program. Okay, if you will not save and try to run this program directly, then what happens? Source must be saved. Okay, so before run we need to save the program. So save this program like some demo dot py. Okay, so it has been saved. Now this program has directly run. First number is 67 and the second number is 43, so we will get 110 as sum. Okay, so it has been completed. Now let's see our next step. What's this? So third way to decimal. Okay, so to accept a decimal number from user, what should we do? In this case we need to input a decimal number from user. So to accept a decimal number from user, instead of int we use float. Okay, float is used. So simply we write in this way, float instead of int, and simply we have completed float input, enter first number, float input, enter second number, and now we are adding the two decimal numbers. So save this because we have made some changes. Save. Okay, run and run module. Okay, so let's check. First number is 4.7 and our second number is 8.9. okay, like 8.9. okay, so our second, so the output is 13.6000000 and blah blah blah. So its persistence is about 15 digit of decimal number. So we have completed. So okay, we have completed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.